Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit your post on Threads. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you want to make any changes on any of the posts that you have made, it's pretty simple. Go to Threads, open your account and tap on your profile icon here to see all the posts that you have. Now I'll wish to make some changes on this post here. To do that, just tap on it and then you should see we have this dots here. Tap on it and you can see we have an edit button. As you can see, there is time between the time you publish a post on Thread to the time you can edit. It is usually 15 minutes. So if 15 minutes elapse, you will lose the ability to edit your post. So for my case, I've only published this post almost 3 minutes ago, which means I can edit it. So just tap on edit and here you can make any changes that you wish or add any information that you wish. I can edit it like that and then post to effect the changes. And as you can see, here it is. However, if you go to an older post, for instance, this that I published 3 days ago, if I open it and try to edit it, you can see we no longer have the edit button. So that's how you can edit your posts on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.